Hey guys, Stacy Meisenheimer here with Sway Productions. I hope you're having a good one. What we're going to talk about in this video is a dog ramp. My little toy Schnauzer and my little Doxy, you know, they're great and all, but they have problems getting on these tall beds that are out nowadays and tall mattresses. So me and my wife went, looking on Amazon to try to figure out, a way to fix this problem. Well, that created another problem because those ramps are pretty expensive, as you can see here. So then I was like, well, there's got to be another way to do this. What do you say we just build one? So I'm no carpenter, but this is what I got. I'm going to go through this parts list pretty quick, but in the description, it'll actually have everything I use, so you can go to that and reference that. But for the sake of keeping the video short, let's go. A tape measure, a drill, wood glue, screws. Now be careful here because you want several different sizes. You're going to want one for the ramp and the platform, and then you're going to want some longer ones for the legs and the braces and stuff like that. Carpet, Razer knife, staples and a stapler, a saw, any wood bladed saw will do. Anti-slip floor adhesive, felt is optional. For the next option we used is a zip tie to secure it to our bed. We didn't want to permanently run screws through our wood, so we just used a zip tie with felt, and scissors are optional. On the 1x12 boards, we had them cut at a 45-degree angle. On the ramp and the platform piece especially. It will help when you place them together and run screws through them. Also, another tip, whenever you drill the hole with the screw in them, back the screw out, place glue on top of the hole, then screw the screw back in. It'll help secure it later. For the wood's parts list, this is going to vary depending on your bed. We have a queen size bed, and that's going to also vary on your footboard. For the wood, we used a 1x12. For the ramp and for the platform, make sure those are cut at a 45-degree angle, and it'll save you a little bit of struggle later. For the legs and brace, you're going to need a 2x2. It's not too hard to figure that out. You can see this in the picture. And for the guardrail, I went with a 1x2, but I wish I would have done like a 1x4 or something like that because it would stick up a little higher. That's basically it. It is a simple thing to do. If I can do it, you can do it, and that's for sure, because I'm not a carpenter and I'm not mechanically inclined. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I can do a video. That's got to count for something. Anyway, this has been Stacy Meisenheimer with Sway Productions. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. If you think this video will help somebody else, please share it, because I think this is an awesome idea, and it doesn't cost very much at all. I only spent $100, and that's for 2 of them. So keep that in mind. Anyway, this has been Stacy Meisenheimer with Sway Productions. Thanks for watching. Bye.